This spreadsheet was empty a couple of minutes ago. 15 coding agents, pricing tiers, free limits, credit amounts, model access, every column filled in. I didn't type a single number. I uploaded the blank file, wrote one sentence, and an AI agent went out to the live web and came back with all of this. And the part that surprised me, it didn't search one row at a time. Every row fired simultaneously. Here's exactly how it works. If you're tracking the AI space right now, you know this problem. The market moves so fast that by the time you've manually looked up pricing for 10 competitors, 3 of them have already changed their plans. I had 15 coding agents on this list. I needed their pricing tiers, free limits, and model access, the kind of data that changes weekly. Doing this manually means opening a browser, finding the pricing page, figuring out what each column means, copying the numbers in, and repeating that 14 more times. That's an afternoon of work. 2 tools fix this. One is a web infrastructure platform called TinyFish. The other is an open source AI agent called Hermes. Let me show you both. Here's the thing most people don't realize. The web was built for human eyes. Every page, the ads, the navigation, the JavaScript that loads content when you scroll, it assumes a person is sitting there reading it. AI agents aren't built to navigate those layouts. They struggle to get real, live information in a format they can actually use. TinyFish is the infrastructure layer that fixes this. 4 tools, 1 API key. Search, fetch, browser, and agent. Think of them as lightest to heaviest. Find it, read it, navigate it, do it. And here's what I love. Search and fetch are completely free. No credits, no billing setup, no catch. For everything in today's demo, search and fetch are all we need. Best of all, they're free to use. But while search is a great starting point, TinyFish scales much further than that. If you need to scrape a site that requires a login, say a portal behind a paywall or an internal dashboard, Browser lets you pass your own credentials and interact with the page directly. And if you're building a workflow where the agent itself needs to navigate, click, and make decisions, agent mode handles that too. It goes from find this data all the way up to operate this website on my behalf. Same API key, different tool. Grab your free API key at the link in the description. Takes about 60 seconds. Now for the agent. Hermes is open source, built by Nous Research, and it has one thing that sets it apart from every other agent I've tested. It's self-improving. Every time Hermes solves a problem, it can save the approach as a reusable skill. Your instance gets smarter the more you use it, building up a library of capabilities specific to how you work. It's not a static tool, it grows. One easy way to deploy it is on Railway, a cloud platform, so there's no local machine required. Once it's running in the cloud, you can interact with it through Telegram, Discord, or a web dashboard. I've got a Railway template that gets Hermes running with DeepSeek V4 Pro in less than 5 minutes. I'll drop the setup video in the description for you. Go ahead and get that running first if you haven't yet. Once you're all set, here's what we added to make this whole spreadsheet workflow actually work. We do this using Hermes skills, which are reusable instruction sets, like installing a new capability into the agent. You add the skill file once, and from that point on, Hermes knows how to do that thing. TinyFish publishes 2 skills in their open source cookbook, and they're exactly what we need for this. The first is called Use TinyFish. This teaches Hermes the 4 TinyFish commands: search, fetch, browser, and agent. How to call them, what parameters to pass, when to use which one. Install this, and Hermes now has TinyFish as a built-in tool. The second skill is Enrich Excel. This is the clever one. When you point Hermes at a spreadsheet, it reads the headers, identifies the empty cells, decides what to search for based on the column names and row data, fires all the searches at once using TinyFish, and writes the results back in. One skill teaches Hermes the tool. The other teaches it how to use that tool on a spreadsheet. Together, they turn a blank table into a research report with one sentence from you. Quick question for the comments. Are you doing this kind of competitor tracking manually right now? I'm genuinely curious how much time people are spending on this. Both skills are in the TinyFish cookbook on GitHub, link in the description. The PDF guide I'll mention at the end walks through the installation step by step. First, Let's demonstrate how to install the two skills with Hermes. To install the Use TinyFish skill, type, "Can you help me add a new skill to use TinyFish.ai?" and provide the skill's URL. Hermes will then load the URL and install it into the system. After a few minutes, the skill is installed and ready to use. Next, type, "Here is my API key for TinyFish," and provide the API key obtained earlier. We will follow the same process for the spreadsheet enrichment skill. Type, "Can you help me add another skill that uses TinyFish.ai to enrich a spreadsheet?" and specify the URL for the enrichment skill. After a few more minutes, that skill will also be installed and ready to use. Let's use these skills to perform data enrichment for our use case, researching the market for AI coding agent plans across different providers. Here is the blank spreadsheet we're starting with. In the rows, you can see the different providers we are interested in researching, one for each coding agent. The column headers are already set for free tier, starter plan price, credits included, model access, and so on. Currently, every cell is empty. Step 1. Upload the file to Hermes. Step 2. Write a single sentence. Enrich this competitive monitor using TinyFish. Research each coding agent's pricing plans and fill in the empty columns using their live websites. Parallelize the processing and verify the data scraping results. That's it. Watch what happens next. The Enrich Excel skill takes over. It reads the headers, maps them to the information it needs to find, and then, here's the key, it fires every search at the same time. These are TinyFish search and fetch API calls, with multiple queries firing in parallel. Search and fetch are the lightweight features of TinyFish. They are fast, free, and return structured snippets directly to the agent. For most rows, search snippets provide everything the agent needs. If a page requires more depth, such as a long-form pricing breakdown or a JavaScript-heavy site, the skill escalates to TinyFish browser and agent, which renders the full page and returns clean text. It's the same API key, just a more powerful tool. Let's look at the results. Every row is filled. Free tier limits, starter plan prices, credit amounts, and model access are all populated from live web data. Before, you had a blank table. Now you have a complete competitive intelligence snapshot. The total time from hitting send to receiving a completed file is just a couple of minutes. What used to be an afternoon spent juggling browser tabs is now a one-line prompt. And here's the thing I want to leave you with. This pattern works for any research task where you know what you're looking for, but not where to find it. For lead enrichment, paste a list of company names to get back funding stages and headcounts. For vendor pricing, list your software tools to get current plan prices from their live pages. For salary research, list job titles and locations to get ranges from live job boards. For real estate comps, list addresses to get back days on market and prices per square foot. For conference speakers, list names to get back bios and recent talks. Same skill, same one-sentence prompt, different spreadsheet. Quick aside, this tutorial took me a solid week of testing to put together, from getting the railway set up right and installing the skills to ensuring the parallel searches held up across different sheet sizes. If this saved you some time, a like genuinely helps YouTube show this to others who would find it useful. I'd really appreciate it. One more thing. I put together a step-by-step PDF guide that covers the full setup. It shows you how to deploy Hermes on Railway, get your TinyFish API key, install the two skills, and run your first enrichment. It takes under 30 minutes if you follow it through. It's free. Just sign up for my newsletter in the description, and I'll send it over to you. Everything else is linked below as well. The TinyFish free API key page, the Hermes GitHub, the TinyFish cookbook with both skills, and the Railway setup video for getting Hermes running with DeepSeek V4 Pro. I'll see you in the next one.